letter's that? What one's that? That's M. What's that? N. Like Aunt Ellen. Yeah, there's O. Yeah, there's another one. And another N. Hi.
Yeah, Mommy's filming you.
Hi.
Are you doing a great job with your letters?
Did you find the letter T?
Where's T? We know you know. Oh, what a great job.
For K. Can you find the K? Where is it? No, that's not K. Daddy's wrong. That's what Daddy does say. G. What letter? H. What letter's that?
K.
What sound does it make? You know what sound that makes? That's
Good
right.
job.
D.